Bradley J Travel, and today it's Bratislava. If you like the video, click on subscribe and maybe click on the bell to get notified of future posts. Bratislava train station. Bratislava, not a popular destination. It's just not, and it got less popular after the movie Hostel. Tourism dropped by 75%. The train station is not grand, it's functional. This is me departing the train station. As I mentioned, not grand. It gets the job done, though. Bratislava is a land of many kiosks, including the 70-cent hot dog. How do you not try that? Here's a warm little restaurant in the train station area. They snagged me taking pictures, so I felt like I had to get a beer. After just leaving the train station, this is about the first thing I saw. This is a hotel, and it gives you some idea of Bratislava. It's not all dark and dreary. Some people don't like dark and dreary. I tend to. Former Soviet satellites always tend to play up the Soviet angle when they can. This is nighttime in Bratislava. I usually am able to find a hotel pretty quickly, but this time it took a lot of effort. I'll show you the hotel at the end. I'm just going to tell you about how I felt during this. I felt warm when I saw the Christmas market. Both warm on the outside and warm on the inside. When you're traveling alone and in a place that doesn't speak much English, when you run into something like this, where folks are convivial and welcoming, it does warm one's body and one's soul. They really get Christmas in Bratislava. I enjoy the underground restaurants, literally underground. Had the catfish here. Was it good? No, it was not good. This is how it felt. Those pictures really grab the feeling. That's a pretty big skating rink, a lot bigger than they have in Boston for the public. More underground restaurants and bars. This really was cool, funky place. Very smoky. That's just the way it is. And they served the Kozel beer that I love in embossed glasses. Time to head out. I finally did find a hotel room. It was huge, but strange. Something tucked under the eaves. It was cheap, too. Pretty cheap. You know, you have a full kitchen, which I would never use. Nice furniture, but the eaves, you don't have much headroom. Time to head to Trenčín, Slovakia. And there is a separate video on Trenčín. Again, if you like the video, if you think you grasped the feeling of Bratislava, give her a click, subscribe, and remember, always travel lightly, my friends. Travel lightly.